अंदर एक नोमैडिक रूह है जो एवरी फ्यू मंथ्स या तो डीप सी डाइविंग या माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग करने पर मजबूर करती है। कुछ साल पहले मैंने अफ्रीका में माउंट किलिमंजारो क्लाइंब किया था, जिसके लिए मैंने 3 महीने पहले से प्रिपेयर कर रही थी। Right diet, lots of exercise, running up and down 20 floors to build stamina. Climb शुरू हुई और फिर 7 days and 7 really cold nights later, there I was, frost-bitten and delirious with joy, with almost no oxygen, standing atop the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, looking at the most heavenly view. जब हम finally नीचे आए, we were all so starved for good food, and at that point of time, on our way down, one of my co-climbers gave me this recipe that he got from his Ethiopian girlfriend. And that is why today I would like to share this wonderful bread with you, which is called the Himbasha. आज हम pomfret बनाएंगे and 2 distinct desserts with 2 distinct tastes, rasmalai creme brulee. So I'm going to start by taking a nice clean bowl, जिसके अंदर of course we're going to be adding maida. So make a small little well in the middle. I'm going to be adding butter, melted butter, sugar, castor sugar, a pinch of salt, cardamom powder, oil, water, and now the yeast. And now that we have all the ingredients to make our ambasha in this bowl, we are just going to cut through this, like so. Okay, this is nearly done. Well, our dough needs to come together now. So I'm just going to put this out here. It's not tough at all. It's very smooth on the hand. Well, our bread has come together. So now we're going to leave it for approving. So let me get a nice bowl. So here it is, some olive oil, and leave this here to prove for about 30 to 35 minutes. And then we are really, really close to baking our ambashi bread. Okay, it's been 30 minutes, and here it is, beautifully proved. So I am going to just drizzle our tray with olive oil, and then take this dough out directly onto this tray. And with your hand, I'm just going to spread this. Just make it a little smooth. And now I'm going to give it a nice design. Okay, now I'm just going to give our bread a pretty design. So now that our design is absolutely ready, I'm going to bake this in our preheated oven, 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Here it is. Oh, you have to watch the recap. This was so simple and it smells like heaven.
To make himbasha, in a bowl, add 600 gram all-purpose flour, 50 ml melted butter, 55 gram castor sugar, half teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon cardamom powder, 30 ml vegetable oil, 200 ml water and 10 gram activated yeast. Mix all ingredients together to form a dough and knead it on your tabletop. Now in a separate bowl, drizzle 1 to 2 tablespoons olive oil and place your dough in the bowl. Prove it for 30 to 35 minutes under a wet muslin cloth. Drizzle 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil on a baking tray and flatten the dough to form a circular shape. Make 6 equal slits on the rolled dough and make various designs using a fork. Now, in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, bake for 20 minutes. Your Himbasha is ready.